Hello, I'm Andrew from Westfield Farm Day Nursery. We're promoting the NFU Healthy Breakfast. We're a nursery that's been open for 8 years and we have 22 children and 6 holiday children.
I love her breakfast.
And through the day we give our children home-cooked food, meat and vegetables. We have homemade rice pudding, semolina, apple crumble, and they have 2 snacks during the day and fruit. We like to encourage the children to help us with the cooking. This week they've been baking bread, which they eat here and take home to their parents. And also they help to make the cakes each week.